No. No.
Did Michelle bring her dogs down?
No.
Did she bring them down the other day? You babysit them or something?
No, she couldn't.
No, why?
I don't know.
I can't see in the dark. Buddy, oh, come on, bud. I'm recording them. I don't know why. Charlie.
Amy.
Every time I get close to him. No!
Charlie.
Okay, I'll be waiting him in the light. Charlie! You can't see in the dark. Come on. Charlie! Bark! Oh, come on! I tried grabbing him at the top of the stairs, but he just ran. What you doing, buddy?
He's just a little puppy yet.
No!
He loves to play. He's only a puppy yet.
Charlie!
Wait till he gets older, then he won't play that much.
Damn it.
I was told about
You have no idea.
Sally. Got long hair now. She doesn't look like the,
She looks bigger. Ah.
she got long hair again. Didn't she get long hair?
Yeah, and she also looks more bigger than last time.
Yeah, she looks more like a wolf instead of a lab.
Yeah, or a bear maybe. But just a dog bear. though.
And she got a bug in her head.
Bye.
Nope. He pulled him down like a few times. Come on, Charlie. Charlie, I put this on YouTube, you know, Charlie. And show everybody how you act. I'm putting this on YouTube.
Yeah?
Yeah. Just for
Well, I
Charlie.
can't see you because my computer on first. Because I gotta get it all done and get it all set.
Bark.
Bark, 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 bark. Oh, you can't see anything because it's dark. But I'm just recording them anyway.
Mittens is saying I'm tired of chasing them around. Look where Mittens is.
Mittens.
She says, I'm tired of chasing them around.
Her eyes are red again.
Well, they're so used to one another now. You know, chasing them around is, they gotta get one that used to it other than that. He's a troublemaker with Mittens.
I got ya. Got ya. Fine. No. Damn it. No, you don't go under my pants.
Pull your pants up. Pull them way up and then he won't touch them. Way up.
Oh my God, there he goes again.
Charlie!
I'm not supposed to be pulling on you, but you're one.
Pull on the string, isn't it?
Yeah.
Hey, Charlie!
No.
Too bad you didn't have that water bottle to stop him. You should have the water bottle.
Yeah, I found it. It's in my bedroom, but not full.
You should get it. Always get that water bottle and spray it up, and he'll stop doing that. Charlie!
No, sorry, Charlie.
Get over here! Get over here! Get over here! But I do that to Mittens. Mittens comes right to me.
Oh, there she is.
Yeah. She's watching. She's watching. I have to get her.
I got close up on Mittens, but you can barely see though.
I know. I always keep this place in the dark. It saves money on the hydro.
But you can kind of see her because her fur's red.
I always pay for my hydro, so
Buddy, Charlie,
I always keep it in the dark.
Charlie.
Charlie.
No, you better not. Charlie. Get over there. Bark.
Oh,
I got him acting up again, damn it.
well, school starts on the 5th, don't it?
Second.
The 2nd now.
Mm-hmm.
It was always the 5th of September.
Well, the second.
This is a long weekend, isn't it?
I
This
don't
is a
know.
long weekend before school starts. I know that.
Charlie. Don't you dare bite my finger. Got ya. He almost bit me!
Boxes in there.
What do you think I kept on trying to like block? Here, I'll close it.
Okay.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, okay. Totally.
Charlie!
Let him go upstairs if he's cold. And open the door, he'll go through.
Gonna come or no? Okay, let's go back up. Can't believe you did that, Charles. See, this is my beautiful puppy. Named Charlie, and he's a puggy. Here you go, bye, bud. You're just calm. Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh, my God. Gonna come?